Hey everyone, welcome to Drifter Vans. I just want to take a minute to show everyone around the shop real quick, show how we work and how everything operates. This is the first stage. This is pre-development. So before anything starts being built, we'll go through a contract together. We will determine all of the interior design, all the layouts will all be approved. And then it comes down over here to Reed, where he starts designing and building all of the cabinetry, all of the fine fixtures, designs, tables, everything that's going into the van is all thought out ahead of time. So that it would go from Reed right here and then down to paint. This is the paint department. This is Chris. All the cabinetry, everything has been built now into the pre-development, and Chris is working with the team to get all the paint, everything ready for the next stage. So that's stage one. Stage two. Now we're in stage two. Now stage two, this is where the flooring, this is where all of the furring strips, your windows, insulation, roof vents, all of this is being done in stage two. Now this is stage three in the process. All the electrical has been run now. We're setting up the inverter, the batteries, your hot water heater, your plumbing, your water, pumps, everything is going in this stage. So this is like all the stuff that nobody really appreciates that you can't see when it's all done, but electricity needs to work. So now we're in stage four. This is the finishing. The months of leading up to it, it all comes down to this. This is where the cabinets are installed, all of the finishing of electrical, plumbing, all of the fine details are being done at this stage. If you come up, you can take a look. This is where the countertops, the walls, all of the final details are happening right here, right now. This stage takes about 7 days to complete. So we're here, this is the final stage. This is stage 5, this is the interior design. Kathleen's here with the team, Billy, Linda, Jen. This is where everything starts being put together now. This is the final product, all the fluff, all the pretty, all the cool. This is it, this is the spot right here. If you're ever in Detroit and you want to take a tour of the shop, you're more than welcome to come on by. We love showing people around. I hope this gave you a good idea of what's going on behind the scenes at Drifter Vans.